What's up mga paps? Ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang AEROX 2021 Y Connect. Pero bago yan, dito muna tayo sa aking intro. Pasok! Alam naman natin nga pagdating sa scooter hindi magpapahuli si Yamaha. Kaya ngayon himayin natin kung paano i-connect ang kanilang motor na AEROX 2021. Step 1. Download the Y Connect app. Scan the QR code below and download the Y Connect app. Available in Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Install the Y Connect app on your smartphone. Step 2. Y Connect ID registration. Open the Y Connect app and then log in with your email. If you don't have Y Connect account, you can register your email first. Step 3. Pairing with a unit. After logging in, you will be asked to pair the smartphone to the CCU communication control unit. Choose from the three options. Before starting the pairing process, make sure the Bluetooth is active. First option, scan QR code on the CCU. To find the location of CCU on your motorcycle, open the owner's manual on page 6-1 and 6-2. Second option, scan the barcode on your unit frame number. Third option, input the frame number manually. The number is stamped on the motorcycle frame. Step 4. Turn on engine. Start the engine by turning the main switch on. After turning the engine on, the CCU will search for your smartphone ID and pair it with a motorcycle. Step 5. Pairing is successful. When pairing is complete, the Y Connect app icon and the smartphone battery meter icon will appear in the meter panel. So ayun na nga lahat mga paps, sana'y meron kayong natutunan sa video na to, at pakihit lang ng subscribe button mga paps. Napakalaking tulong na yun para sa channel ko, at pakipindot lang din ang notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng aking video ilalabas. So ito yung mga iba-iba kong video mga paps, sana ay ma-play nyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga paps, at have a blessed day to all of you. Thank you very much.